Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are counting down the top 5 best car battery tester options available for your vehicle. We have some great picks to share from the experts here at Cool Product to help you keep your car running smoothly. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Habotest HT3500E car battery tester. The Habotest HT3500E car battery tester is a versatile diagnostic tool designed to provide precise and comprehensive insights into the health and performance of various types of batteries. With its real-time voltage measurement feature, users can monitor the battery's voltage accurately, gaining an immediate understanding of its condition. The device also offers detailed charging status detection, helping identify whether a battery is properly charging or if there are potential issues in the charging system. One of the standout capabilities of the HT3500E is its ability to assess the battery's capacity in ampere hours, AH, providing information on the remaining capacity and overall health. It also measures the internal resistance of the battery, which serves as a key indicator of aging and potential performance decline. These functions are supported by 5 internationally recognized testing standards, ensuring consistent quality evaluation and safety performance for a range of battery types. Safety is further reinforced through the device's overload protection, which automatically prevents damage from short circuits or excessive current. Its compatibility with multiple battery types, including lead-acid and lithium-ion batteries, makes it suitable for a wide array of automotive and industrial applications. Designed with portability in mind, the HT3500E combines compact size with an intuitive, user-friendly interface. Its aesthetic design and simple operation make it convenient to carry and use in different environments. Overall, the Habotest HT3500E serves as a reliable and comprehensive solution for anyone looking to monitor, test, and maintain battery performance efficiently and safely. Next up at number 4, we have the Aneng BT175 car battery tester. The Aneng BT175 car battery tester is a versatile diagnostic tool designed to provide accurate and reliable battery analysis for a variety of vehicles. It supports multiple types of storage batteries, including STD, AGM, gel, and EFB, making it suitable for a wide range of automotive applications. This tester allows users to assess multiple data points simultaneously, offering a comprehensive understanding of the battery's condition. Equipped with a main control chip, the Aneng BT175 delivers a stable, sensitive, and intelligent performance, ensuring precise measurements across different testing scenarios. One of its key features is the ability to help users determine whether a battery's failure to start is due to insufficient power rather than a defective battery, preventing unnecessary replacements. The device offers multi-scene measurement capabilities and displays several critical data items at once, enabling a clear view of the battery's status at a glance. This helps avoid errors and ensures that users receive trustworthy information. Additionally, it includes a pour electrode contact reminder system. The display features 2 left-right clip icons, red for left and black for right, and if the contact is inadequate, the corresponding icon flashes and a beep sounds, alerting users to adjust the connections. With its combination of wide battery compatibility, intelligent data display, and practical contact alerts, the Aneng BT175 car battery tester provides a reliable and user-friendly solution for monitoring and maintaining automotive batteries. It simplifies battery diagnostics, giving users confidence in understanding their battery's health quickly and accurately. Taking the 3rd spot is the Konnwei KW331 car battery tester. The Konnwei KW331 car battery tester is a versatile diagnostic tool designed for both professional mechanics and car enthusiasts. Built to withstand high temperatures and extreme cold, this rugged device ensures reliable performance in a variety of environments. Its compatibility with multiple battery types makes it an essential companion for anyone looking to maintain and monitor vehicle battery health. One of the standout features of the KW331 is its one-key waveform analysis, allowing users to capture the battery's voltage waveform with a single press. This function makes it easy to compare real-time voltage data and quickly identify potential issues, streamlining the troubleshooting process. For convenience, the tester also includes a one-click quick battery test, providing fast and accurate results without complicated steps. Adding to its user-friendly design, the KW331 offers QR code scanning to check battery test results instantly, making data access and record-keeping simple and efficient. Combining durability, advanced diagnostics, and ease of use, the Konnwei KW331 delivers a comprehensive solution for battery testing and vehicle maintenance. This device is an excellent choice for those who need a tough tool that can handle demanding conditions while providing modern digital features to simplify the diagnostic process. Coming in at number 2 is the Foxwell BT301 car battery tester. The Foxwell BT301 car battery tester is designed to make vehicle battery diagnostics simple and precise. Equipped with a vibrant digital screen, the device offers clear and easy-to-read results, allowing users to quickly assess the health of their battery. Its intuitive interface ensures that both beginners and experienced car owners can operate it with confidence. The BT301 is compatible with a broad range of vehicles, from cars and SUVs to tractors and boats, supporting batteries with 100 to 2000 CCA. It works with both 6V and 12V batteries and is capable of testing various battery types, including AGM, GEL, EFB, and standard flooded batteries. Accuracy reaches up to 99.9%, ensuring reliable diagnostics every time. This tester delivers comprehensive insights into battery performance by checking the state of health, state of charge, cranking voltage, and alternator output. Such detailed diagnostics help users understand not only the battery's current condition, but also the overall performance of the vehicle's electrical system. With a 6.5-foot cable, the BT301 allows convenient testing both in-vehicle and out-of-vehicle without the need to remove the battery, providing flexibility and ease of use. Its compact and practical design makes it a valuable tool for anyone looking to maintain vehicle reliability and prevent unexpected battery failures. Whether for professional mechanics or everyday vehicle owners, the Foxwell BT301 delivers dependable battery testing and detailed diagnostics in a user-friendly, versatile package. And finally, our top pick, the Topdon BT200 car battery tester.
The Topdon BT200 car battery tester is a versatile tool designed to provide accurate insights into the health and performance of car batteries. This advanced tester supports a wide range of battery types and ratings, making it suitable for both personal and professional use. With the ability to evaluate batteries rated between 100 to 2000 CCA and capacities from 30 amp-hours to 220 amp-hours, the BT200 ensures comprehensive coverage for most automotive batteries on the market. Equipped with a clear battery system standard description and measuring range, the BT200 guides users through the testing process efficiently. By selecting the appropriate battery system and rating, the device provides precise analysis tailored to the specific battery being tested. This makes it easier to detect issues such as low charge, poor performance, or potential failure before they impact vehicle operation. Designed with user convenience in mind, the Topdon BT200 simplifies the process of battery maintenance. Its intuitive interface allows users to quickly connect to a battery and receive detailed readings, offering peace of mind and helping ensure that vehicles remain reliable.
Whether for routine checks or troubleshooting battery-related problems, the BT200 serves as an essential tool for anyone looking to maintain optimal battery performance. With its broad compatibility and accurate diagnostic capabilities, the Topdon BT200 car battery tester stands out as a practical solution for understanding and monitoring the state of automotive batteries. It bridges the gap between complex battery analysis and easy, accessible testing for everyday use. That concludes our look at the best options for your vehicle's maintenance. Check the price link in the description to find the latest deals on these testers. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Cool Product for more automotive reviews. See you in the next one.